Welcome to a quick guide on how to stop sending files in a Telegram group on PC with the latest update. If you're managing a busy group and want to keep things clean, this is a simple setting that helps you control what members can share. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Navigate to the group where you want to adjust sharing permissions. Once you're inside the group, look to the top of the page and click the three horizontal lines. This opens the group menu with various options. From there, select Manage Group. You'll see several settings you can customize for your members. Choose permissions to tailor what's allowed in the chat. This section governs what participants can post and share. Inside permissions, you'll find a list of sharing capabilities. Look for the option related to sending media or files. Uncheck the box or toggle off the files permission so that group members can't post files. This action prevents anyone in the group from uploading documents, images, videos, or other file types. After you've turned off the files permission, be sure to save your changes. This ensures the new rules take effect right away and are applied to all current and future messages in the group. If you ever need to revert the restriction, return to the same permissions area and re-enable the files option, then save again. This makes it easy to adapt the group's rules as needs change, such as during a specific event or project. A couple of quick tips. It can be helpful to communicate the new rule to group members so everyone understands why file sharing is paused. You might also consider setting different permissions for admins or trusted members if you want a more nuanced approach. That's it. Simple, effective, and ready to help you keep your Telegram group organized on PC.